Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In this next video, we'll be installing our Windows ADK and our WinPE add-on, as well as a few prerequisites like the SQL Server OLE, DB driver, etc. So let's get started. So first things first, we're going to open up our terminal from uh, our taskbar. We're going to install some of the prerequisite Windows features for Configuration Manager, and then we'll restart the computer. So let's go from the end of line 6 up to line 4. We'll install all of these services like bits and RDC, etc. So I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, we're back. Everything was successful. Let's do our restart. We'll wait for our logon screen, and then we'll copy that password and log back in. I'll see you in a few moments. And we're back. Control Alt Insert. Click here. Control V to paste. There we go. We're going to open our terminal from the taskbar. Wait for our VMware tools to load. Give that a few moments. And we'll copy that. There we go. Timeout T90. Paste. And I'll see you in about 88 seconds. Okay, we're back. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the Windows ADK WinPE add-on, which, funnily enough, adds the WinPE to its dependencies folder. We only want version 10.126.100.2454 from December, so we're going to do that precise version. Copy and paste. Press enter. There we go. Give that a few moments. Now, while that's doing that, I'm going to show you this. We're going to download only the version 18.5.21 of the ODBC SQL driver, and I'll show you why. So there is a known, it says causes issues in Configuration Manager. So the newest version can't be used for Configuration Manager. So it says here, workaround is to downgrade to version 18.5.21, which is what we'll be using. Okay. And then we'll install the OLE DB driver or download it for right now. We'll install it in a little bit. There we go. Give that a second. From 25 up to 22, we don't have to worry about 22, but we'll copy that. Give that a few moments. And you'll see that on our share, on our H drive, you'll see it's downloading these. Here's the WinPE add-on, and the dependencies are actually the ADK itself. So, good to go there. Copy this, paste. Okay. Give that a few moments. I'll copy from 28 up to 27. This will actually start the executable. Press enter. Give that a second. Okay, we're going to say next, no, next, accept. We're right here if you're following along. So uncheck Configuration Designer, uncheck the Microsoft Performance Toolkit, User Experience, Supply Chain Trust Tools. Now we can also uncheck these two as well. We only need the deployment tools and the user state migration. Okay, so click install and give that a few moments, and I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and that's installed. Click close. Now we're going to install the WinPE add-on. So copy and paste there. There we go. Next, next, accept, install. We're right here, and I'll come back when that is done. Okay, we can close that. Now, in order to prevent a inadvertent update of the Windows ADK and WinPE add-on through winget, like if somebody says winget upgrade dash dash all. We want to block these from being updated because the newest version does not work with configuration managers. So we'll block that. There we go. And we can type exit here. And that's it for the Windows ADK and WinPE add-on. I will see you in the next video.